On today's show, we discuss what could have happened if the hunger strike went on for longer. Plus, a robot in the household is no longer a thing for the future. It is happening right now. And the Prime Minister of St. Martin argues it is not the actual political matter that is unsettling. It is the way the kingdom government chose to carry out the order. 15 on 15 starts right now. Thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Prime Minister Mike Eamon, along with Parliament members Desiree Cruz and Clarisca Velasquez, ended their hunger strike. This decision was made after Prime Minister Eamon's meeting with the governor of Aruba. The governor vowed that there would be progress from the kingdom government made by Monday. The three individuals endured 1 week without food. If they would have continued this to 2 weeks, severe damages to the body would have been done. Not consuming any food for 1 week is certainly unhealthy for the body, but according to a nutritionist, this time frame going without food does not cause detrimental impacts to the body just yet.
Between the 2 weeks, let's say, it's not damaging. It's start yet, right? It doesn't damage anything yet. It's not in a caution state. But it is not pleasant for somebody to go through that. You start experiencing hunger, pains of hunger, but not severely yet.
If the hunger strike went beyond 1 week, the Prime Minister would have started feeling extremely weak, dizzy, and loss of hearing as well as sight are possibilities. Now that Prime Minister Eamon is back on food, it is recommended for him to take in lots of milk.
You can start on milk. Milk is a very good product to use after you have done some fasting or let's say a hunger strike. It builds up again your minerals and your vitamins in your body.
Cheryl tells us in general how much calories a man of Prime Minister Eamon's age should consume in order to stay fit and healthy.
A man that is between the ages of 50 to 70 years old should take in 2,300 to 2,500 calories a day. And from that, the fat should be between 20 to 40% of the daily intake. Protein is 10 to 25%, and carbohydrate, 40 to 70% of your daily intake.
And moving forward in other local news, ATV received a very special visit on Thursday. 50 children from the Kids at Work camp came to the studio to get the grand tour. Take a look. This isn't the first time the halls of the studio have been filled with children. ATV always has its door open for kids who are interested in taking a peek at how it goes down inside the studio at the Royal Plaza. The tour guides consisted of news producers, members from the editing as well graphics department. The children were split into groups, and each group had the chance to meet ATV personnel, from behind the scenes to on-camera team members. The little ones were ecstatic to see all the different sets. Many expressed to us how much they want to come work here when they grow up. Ethical journalists are much needed on this island. Therefore, it is important to encourage kids at this age to think about the field and spark some interest into them. For us here at ATV, we also enjoy the visits. It brings something out of the ordinary into the day. The kids enjoyed a detailed tour of ATV. Every department of the studio was carefully explained, and they all took pictures with a few members that are on-air personalities. Don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we'll show you the world's first family robot. The family robot is no longer an unattainable machine. It is on the market already. Also, a machine that gets you drunk faster without the hassle of actually drinking. That's coming up next. Check this out. Welcome back from the break. All right, so we've heard time and time again about how in the future every household will have a robot like the Jetsons. Hello, future. Meet Yibo, the world's first family robot.
This is your house. This is your car. This is your toothbrush. These are your things. But these are the things that matter. And somewhere in between is this guy. Introducing Jibo, the world's first family robot. Say hi, Jibo.
Hi, Jibo.
Jibo helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
Jibo, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, Jibo.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, Jibo.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, Jibo can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll... And I'll... And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
Now, Yibo has one eye that squints when he giggles and a head that detects human movement as well emotions. He is made with a platform so developers will be able to apply technological advances right to Yibo's hardware as soon as they come out. This little guy weighs 6 pounds and is 11 inches tall. He may not be able to walk around and hang out with you, but he can carry a great conversation with you, laugh with you, and be your friend. You can go online right now and pre-order your Yibo for $499. I'll make sure to put that on my Christmas list. And question for you, do you ever hate the taste of alcohol and just want to get drunk without the hassle of actually holding the cup or waiting for the buzz to kick in? Well, a new vaporizing device may be just for you then. Check out the Vape Shot Mini machine.
Vape Shot Mini is designed to vaporize alcohol, which you can inhale with a straw. It hits you instantly and kickstarts your buzz. Vape Shot Mini is simple to set up and use. Just remove the top cover, fill it with your favorite liquor, replace the cover, and you're ready to go. To serve, simply push the injector into the Vape Shot bottle, press the button on top, and count to 20. Now you have a Vape Shot ready to go. Twist the top to pop, and you've got yourself a vaporized drink that's going to rock your world. Vape Shot Mini is fast, fun, and versatile. You can create a vapor-only shot, or pour a shot of liquor into the serving bottle and then add the vapor shot, or even pour a full mixed drink in and then the vapor shot. Constructed of the highest quality materials, Vape Shot Mini comes in 2 versions, white and stainless steel. No matter which you choose, Vape Shot Mini is bound to be the hit at all your parties.
If you think Vape Shot is sketchy, don't worry. The Vape Shot Mini has been lab tested by highly knowledgeable scientists and researchers who want to make sure you get as drunk as possible without dealing with liquid. If you want a Vape Shot machine, it won't come cheap. The white one is for $700, or you can get the stainless steel model for $899. On that note, we will be right back. Take a look to see what is coming up next. The Prime Minister of St. Martin has been extremely vocal throughout this political process between the Kingdom government and Aruba. According to Sarah Westcott-Williams, the issue to the matter to her is actually irrelevant. If the Kingdom government decides to interfere with the situation, she says, then appropriate procedures must be taken. Procedures that doesn't negatively impact the autonomous status of a country. While Aruba awaits for a response from the Netherlands, Prime Minister Sarah Westcott-Williams of St. Martin provides perspective as to what she believes matters most.
It is not what led to where we are today. It is what instruments are being used to impose certain decisions and instructions. That is what we need to be looking at. Other than that, I think the government of Aruba and the Kingdom government, they are well prepared to have a discussion about, for example, the national debt one way or another. But important, and for me, and it should be for the other countries in the kingdom, is the instrument, I don't want to say illegal, but definitely an instrument not meant for these type of situations that is being used by the kingdom government, and that's the governor and his authority.
She further elaborates that this is a matter of the island's autonomy within the kingdom.
This is a stand for the autonomous position of any of the countries. And you know, sometimes in life, you have to take a stand for the things that you believe in and you feel strongly about. And interference in the autonomous and internal matters of a country is something that I feel very strongly about.
Sarah continues on to say that despite the fact that this may be a kingdom matter, it does not justify how the orders to the governor of Aruba was carried out.
And if it is a matter that affects the kingdom, then it should be discussed between the kingdom partners in the way that partners go along with each other, with respect for each other's autonomy and for each other's internal self-government. So even if it's a kingdom matter, even more so if it's a kingdom matter, then the way that we deal with it should never be on a unilateral basis that one country decides via the kingdom government, nevertheless, decides that this is the way that we're going to solve the problem, whatever that problem is.
That is it for us today. Thanks for watching. On Monday night, we will be back here with new topics for you, so we will see you then.